Hey guys, my name's Christina. I'm from Arizona. If you're planning on towing with your Chevy Equinox, it is required by law to have trailer wiring on your vehicle. Chevy did an amazing job of prepping our vehicle for towing by providing us with a tow harness, which is located right here behind the bumper. So let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to install our 4-flat wiring. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Up here behind the bumper, we're going to locate our trailer wire harness. It is attached to the wires behind it, so we're going to go ahead and pull it down. We're going to need to remove the dust cover that is on our plug. You're going to do that by pulling down the red tab and wiggling it out. That'll allow us to plug in our wiring harness. We're going to go ahead and mount our wiring using a mounting bracket. Our kit does not come with a mounting bracket, so you're going to want to pick one up at one of our U-Haul stores. We're going to drill a hole using a 3/16 bit. We're going to go ahead and place our first screw through the hole, install our mounting bracket before we drill our second hole. Making sure our mounting bracket is squared, we're going to go ahead and drill our second hole. We're going to tighten our screws with a 10mm socket. Next, we're going to be inserting the 4-flat through our bracket, making sure that it locks into place. We'll go ahead and zip tie any excess wiring. To power up our wiring, we are going to have to insert the 2 provided relays. To do that, we're going to be on the driver's side rear cargo area. Right behind this panel, we're going to have to take it off. We're going to be inserting our relays right here and right here. And then placing the cover right back on. Alright guys, you guys are now powered up and ready to tow. So thanks for watching guys, go hit the great outdoors. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.